If you work remotely while traveling and you have to do video calls or conferences or interviews or even produce videos like this one, there are two things that can make or break your videos: sound and lighting. Today we're going to talk about how to level up your lighting game in a travel-friendly way. Lume is a company that does lighting for cameras, desks, laptops, and even drones. I've had the pleasure of traveling with and using Lume's broadcast lighting kit for the last year. And today I'm going to walk you through their broadcast lighting kit and give you some pointers. So here's what comes with the Lume broadcast lighting kit: an iPhone-sized adjustable light, a silicone diffuser to diffuse the light, a telescoping desk stand, a portable computer mount, and of course a USB charging cable. Let's go through each. We'll start with the light because, well, you're probably watching this video because you're in the market for a light, so here it is. As you can see, it's small, and trust me when I say it's incredibly lightweight. You can adjust both the brightness and you can adjust the color temperature from 3200K, which is the warm setting, to 5600K, which is the cool setting. This is important because depending on the existing lighting in the room, plus your skin tone, there is no one color that works for every scenario. So, to turn it on, you just press and hold the power button. You use that same button to toggle between the color temperature and the brightness, and you use the dial to adjust both. The LED panel shows you, based on the current setting, the battery level, how many hours you can run it. You can also see the brightness level and the color levels. It charges via USB-C and it runs forever. On 1% brightness, which is still pretty bright, you can run it for 16 hours. At 50%, it's 2.3 hours, and at 100%, it's 1.3 hours. There are two holes, so you can mount the panel horizontally or vertically on anything with a thread. I almost always use the silicone diffuser as well because it softens the light really nicely. The Panel Go LED can be bought in a variety of different packages, including the broadcast lighting kit, mobile creator kits, video conference lighting kit, and on its own for attaching to SLR cameras and other mounts. It is a universal mount, so you'll have no problem. Now, the telescoping tripod stand also has many different uses. Not only is it a tripod to hold my Lume Cube, but when I travel, I also have a generic mount so I can mount my phone on it when I'm recording videos, and I don't happen to need any extra lighting. That's what I'm doing right now. Heck, you can even use it as a selfie stick this way. The tripod has solid footing and telescopes from 12 inches to 30 inches. Now, here's the bad news. I travel with it because I have it and I like the versatility it offers. But at 13.3 ounces of solid aluminum, it's not the lightest of tripods. So if weight is a concern, you could always get a separate ultralight tripod for when you're traveling. Lastly, I didn't bring the suction cup on this trip, so I can't show it to you, but I'll tell you it offers the versatility to mount your Lume Cube to any clean and smooth surface. As a digital nomad, I travel for months at a time, and because I work as I go, that means I need to be ready for recording episodes of the Remote Work and Travel Show, as well as appearing on other people's shows and podcasts, doing interviews with the media, and even recording virtual conference sessions. With the Lume Cube, I'm ready for whatever the world throws at me while I'm traveling through it. It goes everywhere with me, and I highly recommend it. I'm Nora Dunn, I'm otherwise known as the Professional Hobo, and thanks for watching.